Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you view a list of pages that are indexed in Google for your website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check which pages are indexed on Google anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably sending out and updating a lot of content, and it's good practice to go into your Google Search Console and make sure that it's being indexed. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Google Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check which pages are indexed on Google, first make sure you're working in the correct property here on the top left. Once you have the correct website, scroll down and on indexing, and it should open up. Once you do that, click on pages. Once you're here in pages, here you can see the green. These are the pages that are indexed on Google. And if you want to see more details about which pages, you can click down here on view data about indexed pages. Once you do that, scroll down, and then you're going to see all of the pages that are indexed on Google from your website. So it's just showing 10, but you can click right here, open that up to 500, and now you can easily just scroll through and then see which pages are indexed on Google. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to view the indexed pages for your website on Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.